Namaskar, I'm Devdip Purkayastha from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Welcome to my course, Business Fundamentals for Entrepreneurs. In the next few minutes, I will introduce this course to you. I will take you through who is offering this course, what is the course purpose, the benefits, the structures, the design and the modules, and what can you do after the course. So who's offering this course? This course is being offered by IIT Bombay, which is the top rank university as per a global survey in 2024-25. To introduce myself, I passed out of IIT Kharagpur and then IIM Kolkata and then worked in global leading companies like Procter & Gamble and DHL for 30 years based in India and outside India. For the last 6 to 7 years, I have been teaching and mentoring entrepreneurial students at IIT Bombay. And this particular course, I have taught to my students at IIT Bombay 4 times in 4 years. So the background of this course, as per the World Economic Forum, which is a global leading think tank, in a rapidly changing world where technology is changing, economics is changing, society is changing very fast, the working people have to reskill and upskill themselves as well. And the survey says that 50% of today's workers have to reskill or upskill. And that also means that if you are students who are considering this course, you will also have to aggressively acquire new and new skills for developing your career. That's the background. So with that background, who all can take this course? First, students. If you are a student, this course will help you get a broad overview of business, how companies operate and win. And based on that knowledge, you can make more informed career choices. What do you want to study next? Which role and career do you want to pursue? If you are a working professional working in a company and an entrepreneur, which means you want to be an entrepreneur within a company, this will give you a broad view of business so that you can look for alternate roles, cross-functional roles within your company or in other companies, or you can perform better because you've gathered new skills through this course. And if you're an entrepreneur, it will help you decide whether you want to start a new business, and if so, how to start your business. So what are the benefits of this course? Essentially, this course can help you elevate your career in the coming years. As I said, you can make more informed career choices. You can opt for higher responsibilities or cross-functional roles if you are already working. And it can help you build your startup. So what's the course design? The course design will include lecture videos, not only by me as course instructor, but also industry veterans, so get a taste of the real industry and how real companies work. It will include practice assignment and a capstone assignment where you actually create a company business plan or a startup business plan. And of course, it will have graded test. written and online as per NPTEL requirements. So what's the course structure? What are the modules? This is a 12-week course, and in the first 4 weeks, I will cover the internal operations of a company, starting from the very basics of what is a business, what's a company, what are types of companies, what are a company's vision, mission, purpose, values, etc. How do companies innovate and create great new products? How do companies mass manufacture with quality standards? I will then get into finance and accounting and very important skills around leadership and organization management. And I'll end the week with insights into ESG, which is how great companies interact with environment, with society, and have great corporate governance. In weeks 5 to 8, I will talk about how companies operate externally, which means how do they research and position themselves in the marketplace? How do they identify customers and create great customer value proposition? I will talk about what is value-added marketing and what is marketing communication, branding, advertising, promoting. I will talk about sales channels and distributions. And then how do you sell? B2B, business to business, or B2C, business to consumer. I will then go on to how do great companies service their customers and build customer loyalty. And what is supply chain and logistics? So in the second 4 weeks, 5 to 8, I'll talk about the external operations of a company. In the last 4 weeks, weeks 9 to 12, I will talk about business risk and business information and how to manage them. And then for you to start a business, I'll talk about what are business types that you can consider and business model. What's a business model canvas? And what's the difference between a for-profit and a not-for-profit business? I will then go into methodologies of starting a new technology venture or a new social venture. How to create new businesses. We'll then have some nice business case discussions. And then we'll wrap up the course and recap the course, everything that we have done in the past 12 weeks. And along the course, we'll have a lot of reflection points, which are basically time off, where you can think about what you have studied and learned through the videos and take some notes. We'll have those reflection points. We'll have practice assignment. We'll have capstone assignments. We'll have graded test and graded final written test. So what can you do after the course is over? And I would recommend that if you are a student, think about what career do you want to follow, which courses. Do you want to do an MBA or do you want to do a master's in some functions? Do you want to be a CA, etc.? If you are a student, if you want to enroll into a management course in a management institute or take some NPTEL course, that's one thing that you can do. If you're already working, you should definitely explore new opportunities. May not be in a function. If you are in sales, you may choose to explore a finance function. If you are in finance, you may choose to explore operations functions. And if you are in operations, you may choose to explore an HR function and then become ready to become a general manager. And if you want to start your own business after the course, and if you have already had an idea, I'd request you to create a business plan as part of the course and then approach a startup incubator with a startup idea and your plan. So with that, I hope you have got a good feel of what this course is all about. I hope that you enroll in the course. I hope that you participated well in this course, and I hope that you succeed in this course. Good luck, namaskar, and all the best.